this is our airsoft collection, and what we will be shooting, and what we will be shooting at, accuracy, strength, just about everything. Yeah. And I brought my Gamma BB gun, 1200 FPS, just to have a little bit of fun when we're done. Alright, let's do this thing. Okay, alright. No, man, we're going first off, and we're also going. Alright, first off, you're going next. Yeah. First off, we got our MBO3 sniper rifle. I did do a review, just like I haven't done a shooting review yet, but this is just us. And then bolt out. 7-Up can would be our target. Oh, that was close. 1 second, let me try again. Well, it hit. Dadgum you. Okay. Stupid hop-ups being a pain in the butt. But, the only thing I don't like about this gun would be the hop-up. Yeah, it kicks like close. But, you know, you gotta deal with it. So, next off, we have Tyler with the M58B shotgun.
Pump action?
Hurts like heck.
Yeah, I've been shot with it, I think. It's very good accuracy. Accurate. It's very accurate. Oh, Harris, you left the cat out.
Hey, what?
So?
Hey, shut up.
Shooting guns out here. Okay. These are all of our broken guns right here. $100 model. Broken. And a pistol. Bad. Harris is too obsessed with his
Screw you.
airsoft gun. That's Harris's right there. That's Harris's. That's his. This is mine. That's mine. This is kind of like both of ours. This is the first gun that we got. This is mine. That's his. And one of my favorites, the M1 Garand. Mostly plastic. It's good. Yeah, that one is broken, like I said.
Here, watch out, Tyler.
It's pretty good.
No, what is the matter with you?
The clip holds about, say, 150 maybe. Right in there. And then that one holds about 250. Got 2 clips for this gun. And that's pretty much it for my collection.
Man, I'm out of bullets.
Yeah, it's kind of blurry. Harris, we're gonna have to use the other camera. This thing is so blurry. So, look how blurry that is. Harris, we can't even see in this.
Alright, I'm gonna knock this can down before this video is done.
You can't even see the can. Okay, I'm gonna go up there. That gun better be the best. Swear to God if you shoot me.
Where does that even go?
I shoot and a miss.
There it is. And take down.
Oh dear gosh.
Oh, what is up with this? Oh, that's one bad part about this gun. on this. But that's pretty much the gist of
Watch out for the cat.
this video. Let's end this with a blast. We're gonna go pellet gun again.
Oh my gosh. No, no, don't. Get down. Get down. Put him inside.
Okay,
That's my cat.
let's take a second here.
Curious about everything. Put him inside.
Okay,
Yes.
now, let's go on pump action.
Pump action? What?
Yeah. Brake.
Brake.
Brake barrel, but
That's a brake barrel.
it's not like CO2. It's just, yeah, so I'm trying to go in there.
Yeah, they can see that.
Okay. I'm gonna get back as far as we can.
And he's got one of
Everyone, safety glasses.
yeah, okay.
Hey guys, watch out.
They won't ricochet though. I don't know what happened to mine. 1 second, 1 second. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Sorry about that.
Oh, see that? See that precision accuracy? It only took down one. That was nice. Well, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, put it on the video response, and also subscribe. Subscribe.
Rate and comment, please.
Give me a thumbs up to make sure I know I'm doing something right. But we also forgot to test it.
And
If you guys have any tips about how to get this hop up to stop sucking my balls, then
yeah, and sorry if it's kind of blurry. My camera isn't that good.
well, see you guys later. Dadgummit.